We have now Vinay Rajani, who is the CMT Senior Technical and Derivatives Analyst at HDFC Securities, joining us. A very good afternoon to you, Vinay. And Vinay, should we read too much into this sort of a recovery that we are seeing in the Indian stock market, given the fact that the rest of the globe is under pressure, but we are trying to actually hold on to our losses?
Yeah, so good afternoon and thanks for having me on the show. So yesterday Nifty found resistance at its 20-day exponential moving average. That was the high of 22,676, and from that high we have seen a correction of more than 360 points towards today's low of 22,314. So up to some extent it was discounted. Yesterday's US markets weakness was discounted in the market. We saw 250 points intraday dip in yesterday's session, and after today's gap down opening, it has discounted almost all the global negative cues. But the way market has recovered, the breadth has recovered from the day's low, it looks like that it is trying to form a higher bottom formation over here, because small cap and micro cap index has been showing some strength after gap down opening in the today's trade. So it looks like that overall still we cannot say that it is a reversal on the downside, but 22,200 is a very key level to watch out for as a support, and we are suggesting our clients that whatever long positions we have, that should be held long with the stop loss of 22,200, because it is a very strong support, and it might happen that there is a good probability. We are expecting that this time Nifty will form a higher bottom about 22,200 and eventually will take out the resistance which was around 22,700 yesterday. So yes, today is a weak day for the Nifty, but there is a good chance that it will form a higher bottom above 22,200, and eventually it will take out the resistance of 22,700 and will head for the 23,000 target. So yes, we are not taking any aggressive bearish view as of now. We are in a wait and watch mode, and we are asking the traders to hold the long position with the stop loss of 22,200.
Right, so hold on to your longs. That's the call coming in from Vinay with a stop loss of around 22,200. Hi Vinay, good afternoon. This is Shrishti also joining in. A bit of a sector churning underway, and even like Cheryl was highlighting that it's the real estate pack finally making a comeback. Anything to read into this, Vinay? Because when you believe that Nifty is headed higher, do you believe that maybe the real estate counter will also participate, and is this a time to go ahead and get some more longs from here?
Yeah, so if I were to look at the daily chart of Nifty Realty Index, it is forming a bullish engulfing pattern on the daily chart. So it's a nice bullish formation and reversal formation. And if it were to close here, then definitely it will confirm the trend reversal. And it is a good that this kind of high beta sectors, which is actually moving faster than the indices. So today markets were down in the morning. In this kind of market, this high beta sector like real estate, rate sensitive sector is showing strength. So in fact, we should read into it positively, and the way it is going, there is a good chance that it will close with this kind of formation on the daily chart. So I am reading positively this development, and DLF Godrej Properties have been holding strong on the chart. Still, if we can see, DLF is making days high, so looking very strong, and it's a good sign. It's just that we are waiting for some good close. So it is 12 o'clock right now, but yes, the way it is moving and developing, the chances are good that it will hold, and the strength will be there in the real estate sector for the short term.
Right, so that's about the real estate sector, Vinay, but I want to understand, what are your picks in this particular market? Are you on the buy side of the fence, or are you actually shorting some positions?
So I'm on the buy side, and some energy stocks are I like on the chart. So NTPC is one of the stocks. So entire CPSC and public sector enterprise did very well positionally for last couple of weeks, and NTPC is one of the stock which has recently taken out the short-term resistances, and I like it. So NTPC bought around 331. Stop loss can be kept at 320, and I'm expecting a target of 346. And the second pick I would take from the energy space itself, JSW Energy. So there is a development of bullish inverted head and shoulder pattern on the daily chart, and it looks like that it is headed higher from this level. So JSW Energy one can go along with a stop loss of 500. I'm expecting a target of 550 in the short term. So these both calls are with a time frame of 3 to 4 trading session. It is not an intraday recommendation. So with the mentioned stop losses and targets, one can follow the recommendations.
All right, thank you so much, Vinay, for getting us for giving us your picks. With this, we'll let you go on that, and really appreciate you taking the time out and speaking with us.
If you like this video, then like, share, and subscribe to ET Now.